We're at Trump, we think growth is definitely on the horizon. Reshoring gives a lot of our customers an opportunity to invest in more equipment and compete on a global scale. Well, the trend is clear. Automation is really a necessity now to be competitive in a fabricating industry, as intensely fragmented as it is in the United States. So we were just coming out of some of the panels here at this event, and it's really clear that automation is a necessity. The question is, can you automate one-piece flow reliably? And for us and others that are designing the equipment, supporting it with sales and service, that's what our customers expect. And that kind of automation is quite challenging. What we need is less regulations, lower taxes, more opportunities for companies to start business with a lot less burden in trying to do so. I think our industry has changed so much over the last 20 years. To me, it's not, the stereotype is long gone. An opportunity to be a professional in our industry, whether or not you're on the shop floor maintaining this kind of equipment that's being used in factories across America, or you're writing software, or you're working with the finance department to understand just what is the benefit of the equipment for the shareholders from a financial standpoint. Awfully interesting professions.